Joining us now is digital anchor with our KXAN affiliate in Austin, Will Dupree. Will, good to be with you. Tell us about what we heard today and what's your sense of how things are going down there?
Yeah, just a few moments ago, the third witness called during this impeachment trial took the stand. It's been a pretty slow-going process so far this week. However, you mentioned that second witness, a man named Ryan Bangert. He concluded his questioning just a few moments ago. And what he shared is that he used to hold this top position at the Texas Attorney General's office. And during the course of a few months back in 2020, he kept raising concerns that the Attorney General, Ken Paxton, was doing things on behalf of that Austin real estate developer, Nate Paul. And what this led to eventually is that Bangert and several other top aides within the Attorney General's office got together and went to the FBI to report this alleged misconduct that they say they witnessed. And we have a bit of Ryan Bangert's testimony from earlier today, so let's take a listen to that.
I was deeply concerned that the name and authority and power of our office had been, in my view, hijacked to serve the interests of an individual against the interest of the broader public.
And the fact that he had invoked the use of a grand jury to try to help Mr. Paul in his investigation, what level of concern and why was that a bother to you?
It was unconscionable. I went to the FBI because I believed, based on my experience over the previous 9 months, that the Attorney General had abandoned his obligation to work on behalf of the interests of the people of Texas to serve the interest of one person, Nate Paul.
And again, that is Ryan Bangert, who was one of the top aides there. We are hearing now from Ryan Vassar, who was an associate of Bangert. And what Ryan Vassar was a part of was writing this legal opinion that Paxton allegedly helped to influence about foreclosure sales during the summer of COVID-19 back in 2020. This is alleged to have benefited Nate Paul because he was having some foreclosure sales coming up the following week. So again, we're monitoring this ongoing testimony. We're only 3 witnesses in, 3 days in as well.